Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the dual connection mode in your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro headphones. So here, as you can see, we are now in the SOUNDCORE application. Here we have to tap this gear icon in the top right corner and tap dual connections. Tap the button to enable, and here we have switching requires about 10 seconds. You have to wait 10 seconds minimum. And now, as you can see, we have current or history. We can tap connect a device, and then our headphones will go into the pairing mode, and they could pair another pair of device. Another device actually. Apart from that, here as you can see, we have history, and we can enable the devices over here, or disable ours, but I don't really think that's that nice. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.